Hello, Slush. What a great day it's been. I hope that you all will be able to stay awake for a few more minutes, even if we're going to talk about accounting. On the stage with me, I got Tuukka, I'm Matthias, and we are the founders of Zervant. And here's our story. If you run your own company, you can easily agree that accounting really sucks. It's complicated, it's time-consuming, and it's expensive to outsource it. But still, you have to do it in some way because it's regulated by law. So if we look at accounting in more detail, it's just simplified your financial information stored in a database according to specific rules. We focus on the tiniest companies on the planet, on micro companies selling services in Europe. And for the record, there's about 20 million of these. For them, the financial information is actually the daily activities that they do at work. So, for example, take an electrician doing some electrical installations at your home. For him, the accounting information is actually his working time. The supplies that he sells out of the back of his van, cables, connectors and stuff. The mileage that he tracks going to your home and driving back. And of course, expenses for buying tools and other stuff that he needs for his work. Some of that is invoiced on the way, but eventually all of this data is going into the accounting. So when we look at accounting from this perspective, from the business owner's perspective, we realize that actually there shouldn't be a need for any manual work around that green circle up there that we traditionally call accounting. Because we have all the information already, it can be automated. And this is why we built Zervant. It's a automated invoicing and accounting solution for micro businesses. As we focus on tracking business events when they occur, it can be done, our customers can do it anywhere, anytime, using a mobile phone, using a tablet, using your PC, depending on your needs. That data is used to generate the invoices instantly. Invoices are always up to date. They can be sent with a single click, which means they save time. And actually, this is how these businesses monetize their business, so it's crucial. We built an engine behind this that takes all of this information, puts it in the right place at the right time, according to local regulations internationally. Which means in English that if you run a one-man show, you have a single-person company, we create your accounting fully automatically. You don't even have to understand the word accounting. Pretty traditional way of selling this subscription model, 4 different packages, blah, 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 blah. What's interesting here is actually the numbers below. We are seeing an amazingly good payment ratio. 1 out of 4 businesses that actually tries our software are buying a subscription. 90% of those customers renew their subscription the next year, which means we have a less than 1% drop-off rate monthly. Also, growth has been kind to us, considering we're a B2B product, not a consumer product. We launched our service in 2011 in Finland. It took us 1 year to reach 1,000 customers. Today, we're growing with a rate of over 1,000 customers a month. Sweden is our fastest growing market for the moment, and Germany. Web traffic has been growing 30% monthly since we launched earlier this year. So all our indicators are actually saying and stating that we are doing some things right. We have a great product that customers are really willing to pay for. And we want to take this early success story and make it something huge. We want to multiply this by 40 in the next 3 years. And we can do that by strengthening our team. We want to triple our team in the next 2 years. To put some real efforts into marketing. We do inbound marketing. We have 1 person in marketing being able to grow all this. And we have 3 person in R&D. We want to grow that as well. We have a crystal ball that can tell us what to do next. So we want to take a really great product and make it so good that it would be stupid to use something else if you run your own business. So that's the quick introduction. Floor is open for question.
take 2 minutes questions, jury.
Thanks for the pitch. How big can you grow?
Even in the European markets, there are 20 million companies in our service business area. So that means we can easily get to millions of companies in Europe alone that we are targeting at the moment.
And the actual value of the market is about 3 billion in our core market in Europe.
So thanks, guys. Really, a great growth that you've been able to pull through during the last 2 years. So I'm a flower shopkeeper in Portugal. How will I ever find about Zervant? So what is your go-to-market and this strategy on these local markets in Europe?
Sorry, I missed it.
Go-to-market strategy. So
the
how do I
go-to-market
from
strategy.
Portugal find you?
If you look at our channels right now, as we are not charging that much for our product, we need to find really cost-efficient channels to keep the customer acquisition cost at minimum. So currently, we have 80% of our new customers come through organic channels, organic visibility online. Probably almost half of those are coming through word of mouth, because these entrepreneurs talk to each other, which means they recommend our product. And then we also have about 20% from different channels. We have reselling partners and maybe 10-15% from Google AdWords currently.
Okay, thank you, Zervant.
Thank you.